Oh, hello guys, this is TechHertz Vlog doing the screen recording of my S24 Ultra. So I'm using the K9 wireless microphone. The transmitter is already connected to my phone, and the wireless microphone is already clipped on my t-shirt. Okay, so I'm doing this scrolling of my home pages. Ito po, makikita po yung top bar na merong red color na may incrementing timer, which means voice recording is ongoing. Tap here to stop recording. So syempre, of course, hindi mo na. Test ko lang tong audio quality, audio volume, audio clarity. Last time na nag-record ako ng screen record is medyo mahina yung using this K9 wireless microphone. So makikita po natin sa upload sa YouTube. Hanggang dito na lang po. Bye and peace.